I'm Joey M. Bunapiles, and I will be your tour guide for this movie. Welcome to Quantum Temple, are also famous known as Philippine Buddhist Temple. This temple is known for its where its god is named Quan Kong. Quan Kong is the god of war and wealth. Quan Kong is also the guardian of business owners, leaders, and politicians. As we can see, this temple has its Jade Emperor, the Horse of the Lord, and the Heaven of the Lord. That indicates that this temple is an Taoist Buddhist temple. People usually visit this temple to pray for their protection and wealth. This temple is an active and religious temple, so be respectful. As you enter this temple, be sure to light incense and bow to the gods. After that, this tour will be taking over of Pedorado. See ya!